Okay. I was like, don't throw it out yet. What?
Waterway right there. What if somebody threw something down there and it washed out here? Should we go over there?
Yeah. But, oh, somebody made that. It's a slide. It's a slide because there's a house right up there.
It does look like a slide, but I don't think it really is a slide.
No, like they could clean it and clean out all that.
If they would clean it and they put like a something soft, like a tarp. All right.
Ah, there's a spider web on that. Ah, you got it all over me.
What, the spider web?
No, the water. Ah, there's a huge spider. Oh my.
Oh my gosh.
That is a daddy long legs. I want this out of the boat.
Look at it. Out of the boat with your glove.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I thought I caught something metal.
Stop splashing water on me. That spider was huge.
Oh, it's choking my belly. I got something. Oh, get away from the spider. I got something though. Oh.
Okay, we're away from the spider.
Oh, that turned out to be good. All right,
to the bridge. Oh, it's way greener over here. Those are huge metal pipes.
Yeah, they are. Guess they're really expecting that dock to go, the water to get high. Holy shit.
The water to get high? Why?
That dock will float up and down with the rope on those poles.
Oh.
Pretty nifty, huh?
Uh-huh. Oh, maybe because it happened before.
Oh, duck.
Where?
You see it on the log?
I think it's a goose.
A what?
A goose.
A goose. You're a goose.
No, you are. Oh, they did the same with that one, but those poles are taller.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe because the water level gets high a lot of times. I think we're at the Ohio River.
I think if we went right, we would go to the Ohio River. He said it's only 20 minutes down, or so 20 minutes to Ohio.
What is that yellow thing?
Oh.
It might be metal.
Where?
That yellow
thing?
thing. Yeah. Oh my! It's bringing us back. Just try not to make it disconnect.
We got some moss.
Now we're scraping up against some logs.
Oh my gosh, we got a little nest up there.
Oh! We are not going under the bridge. We are not going under the bridge. How do you even know they're hornet nests?
Yeah.
What?
Quite a lot of gross moss. Alright, let's get up here. There's something we can talk about.
But how do you know they're hornet nests?
Huh?
How do you know they're hornet nests?
I actually don't know what those are.
I don't want to go under the bridge. Oh, they are birds' nests. I see a bird in one of them.
Oh, I see a bird. I see a bird too.
They are bird nests.
Oh.
What's up, guys? Again, we couldn't find anything, but we found a ton of stuff. I already got sunscreen and my mom. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Da, 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 da. And then we got stuff in here too. That is awesome. Oh, and our magnet broke.
Yeah. Boo.
So this is gonna be it for today. That's all the magnet fishing. But we don't care about the magnet. We got all of this. It's worth some money. Right, Mom? We don't care about the magnet.
That's right.
At least we got all of this. It's been like 10 minutes later. The water is beautiful. And the best place to get it is where are we? Where are we?
Heron's Creek.
We're at Heron's Creek
In Prospect, Kentucky.
in Prospect, Kentucky. You go to the left side of the river and then you magnet fish under the bridge. You might see a bone right there because we threw it back in. It was a jawbone. It was a dog or a deer or something. It was this part with the small teeth, the thin teeth. It was crazy. But under the bridge here is best. That's gonna be it for today, so bye-bye.